So a brand new feature just came out for some DJI Enterprise drones that lets you see not only augmented reality street names, but also stores, transportation, and other landmarks. We'll be going over those and a few other new features that you'll get with DJI Pilot 2's latest firmware update, so let's check them out. So today we'll be going over the new features on the DJI RC Plus 2 controller. All right, so you're gonna find these new features under your flight settings, where you'll find control, assist, and now you have AR. You can turn on the augmented reality street setting, and then you have different settings you can control, like the opacity of the display, the offset, so how high or low you want that augmented reality display on your map, and also what landmarks you want on your display. And you get basic landmarks, which appears to just be the addresses of different places. Public services, like you can see the United States Tennis Center right there. Transportation stations, and stores and restaurants. Now what's nice is you can actually select one of these points. From there, you can also select an orbit, so if you just want to orbit that location. Or you could actually share it, so if you are working with other people in the field, you can share that exact location to them, and then they can go there too.
Pinpoint.
So what's nice about this is it gives you another option rather than just your map display to see exactly where you're looking. So this could be huge for firefighters trying to pinpoint where a fire is, a surveyor trying to plan out a mapping mission, or search and rescue trying to find a person, along with a ton of other uses. Now this firmware update did coincide with the release of the DJI Matrice 400 back on June 10th. So this does also add some functionality to the Matrice 400, where you can use it as an airborne relay to extend the range of your Matrice 4E. Now you also get patrol route with Smart Capture, so it automates data collection and it alerts you if there are any changes to the area you're watching. And other changes include support for intelligent infrared detection, support for offline browsing of intelligent detection, and statistical results from high-resolution grid photography on computers. And for those of you using GIS platforms, you now get support for recording videos compliant with MISB standards. That enables geospatial video applications. So if you are using a controller that uses DJI Pilot 2, make sure to download the latest firmware so you get to check out these new features. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest firmware updates and drones, be sure to like and subscribe. So thanks for watching.